equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep all your parts organized. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV14 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the vacuum is completely powered off. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the trigger area. Now, locate the screws that hold the trigger in place. There are typically 2 screws on the side of the trigger mechanism. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. If you find it challenging to reach the screws, a flathead screwdriver can help pry open any tight spots. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger away from the body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be a small spring attached that could pop out. If it does, don't worry. You can easily reattach it later. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of the trigger area. Use a soft cloth or a brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure that your new trigger operates smoothly. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Make sure the spring is in place before you push the trigger back into position. Once it's seated correctly, replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you may encounter during this process. After securing the trigger, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Plug your vacuum back in and test the trigger to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV14. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV14 is a straightforward process that can be completed with a few simple tools and steps. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner and keep it performing at its best. Thank you for following along, and happy cleaning! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.